Do some more work to the Lincolns. Gotta love the Lincoln. Get new seats.
You may go back around
New headliners.
with just a screwdriver
New pillars. Okay.
on these, because I don't want to.
Yeah, I'll go back
With
around with it.
this?
Oh yeah, I understand. Don't want to over torque. Yeah, definitely. Definitely don't want to over torque it. New carpet. We had some old parts we threw it away. New cup holders. As new as I could find. Yeah. Heck yeah.
These are up,
It's gonna look sweet.
if I can find the hole.
Yep. For Miss Gracie.
I couldn't see the hole.
This is a restore car. New 4 panels and all. But I did 4 pans on it a few years ago when I restored it, but she sat out too long. Definitely a salvage yard say. Still got the bridge down. We're working. And there's my beauty, my tearing. Yeah. Yep. There's the tearing stand. That's what's up with the town cars. Still all happy. We're all happy town cars. I gotta clean all this trim, put all this trim back. Peace.